This is how to make homemade tofu. Making your own tofu is actually really easy. You'll need to start with some dried soybeans. Add the beans to a large mixing bowl, then soak in water for at least 6 hours or overnight. Next, drain and rinse the beans, then we're going to blend them in water until smooth before squeezing out the soy milk using a nut bag. And you can use the leftover pulp in things like muffins. Add the soy milk to a large saucepan and simmer for 15 minutes or skimming off any skim, which is also known as yuba. Next, you'll need some lemon juice. Dilute about 4 tablespoons in water, then slowly add it to the hot milk in batches. The acidity will start to make the milk curdle. Now, we're using a DIY tofu press made using a Tupperware box with holes in it. Fill it out with tofu curds, add another box on top, then press it using a heavy object. The longer you leave it, the firmer your tofu. We leave ours for at least an hour and you end up with extra firm tofu just like this, which is perfect for dishes like stir fries. Seriously, you'll master this homemade tofu in no time at all, and you can eat it straight away, so it's extra fresh and flavoursome.